Mr. Smith. I am the owner of Smith's Forge. Smith's Forge is a blacksmith. At Smith's Forge, we sell horseshoes, nails, weather vanes, pots, pans, fences, gates, railings, rims for wheels, and anchors. We also fix things, make things, and sometimes we are the town dentist. Special tools are used like cone man, tongs, fire crane, bickern, flatter, flat iron, and other door latches. I am sometimes the dentist of the town. If you have a toothache, come and get it pulled out now. Beware, I'm not always there. But if I am there, your ache is history, and no tools for you. Be sure to stop by Smith's Forge today.